That is Snoopy, and he hates this black broom because he used to get beat up by the owners. And Priscilla, can you move the whole thing? See, he's not doing anything right now, but he'll eventually.
He knows he's being watched.
Just leave it there. He hates it. He hates it with passion. Go put it in the corner over there by the fridge. So this is a new broom. He's tripping. He'll be staring at it for hours. Move it, move it, move it.
It's okay, Susie. Okay, it's okay. We're okay.